Atala, and this is my mother. And we are going to make pizza noodle. So we need 1 Indomie goreng and 2 eggs and cooking oil. First, boil the water and put the noodle inside. Good. Now we wait for 3 minutes. Smells good. While we wait for the noodles, we are going to crack the eggs. Yes! Wow!
Oh my god.
Oh my! Can I shake it? This is going to be fun, you know? Mix it like this. Wow! Kinda looks soft. Now put the noodle all together with the egg. Okay, give it a try.
Wait.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Put the seasoning on the plate.
On the
Plate. Okay, mix it.
Okay.
No. Oh my god, so many. Oh my god. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, Baim.
Oh my. I kinda want to mix it. Wow, so many. Now we mix all together like this. Thank you, Mom. Oh. Next step, prepare the pan, also the cooking oil. Yes! 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 And now, we put the noodle and eggs to the pan. Okay, let's go. Wow! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Chill, chill, chill. My god. I don't want to see it. Just kidding, I want to see it. Looks good. Wow. Wow. Yes.
Nice.
Nice. The egg is ready. The egg is ready.
Good.
Here's how we make pizza noodle. Guys, smells good. It's very tasty. I think it should be tasty. We have to wait 3 minutes. Okay. Wow! Now we put the pizza noodle on the plate.
I help you.
On any plate. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Cut the noodles like this so it looks like a pizza. Yummy pizza. Yummy.
Yummy.
Oh.
Pizza.
Look at that. So good. Here's how we make pizza noodle. Let's try the pizza noodle, guys. Do you guys want it? Follow these steps. Ow. Try it, guys. Just follow our steps. Yummy. Yummy.
Hooray.
Thank you guys for